The only ingredients you'll need are hibiscus flowers, dried or fresh, sugar or another sweetener, and water. I'm also going to add in a cinnamon stick and the juice of a lime, but these are optional. First, add 4 cups of cold water and 1.5 cups of hibiscus flowers to a pot. I also add in the cinnamon stick at this point. Bring the mixture to a boil and then turn off the heat. Add in a 1/2 cup of sugar or whatever sweetener you're using and stir to dissolve. You can add more or less sugar if you prefer. I recommend anywhere between 1/4 and a whole cup because you can drink it as concentrated or as diluted as you like. Let the tea steep for 15 minutes. Some people let it steep for longer, but I find it can get an off taste if you let it steep for too long. After it's done steeping, strain out the flowers and any spices. You can either throw out the flowers or you can use them to cook with. You can also rinse them and use them to compost. At this point, I add in the lime juice. The liquid that you have left over is the hibiscus concentrate. It's a really strong version of the tea that's generally diluted with water, but some people like to drink it as is. I strain the concentrate into a glass jar and add the cinnamon stick back in. I let this sit for about a half hour or until it's completely cool. To serve, I take a glass of ice and fill it about halfway with the hibiscus concentrate and halfway with cold water. Stir well to combine and enjoy.